How do organizations effectively communicate with customers? This video explores the various communication channels that play a crucial role in business interactions. Discover how these channels enhance customer relationships and satisfaction. Websites are a primary digital presence for organizations. They provide information about products, services, and company values. Features like contact forms and chatbots facilitate customer interaction. Websites offer 24/7 accessibility and a wide reach. They serve as a platform for interactive engagement with customers. Brochures are printed or digital documents providing detailed information. They are used in marketing campaigns and trade shows. Brochures educate customers about products and services. They offer a tangible piece of marketing material. Their portability and visual appeal make them effective communication tools. Letters are formal written communications for personalized correspondence. They deliver important information and formal notices. Letters convey professionalism and provide a physical record. They are often used for order confirmations and service updates. This method ensures a sense of importance in communication. Newsletters are regular publications providing updates and news. They keep customers informed about new products and events. Newsletters maintain ongoing engagement with customers. They help build relationships through regular communication. This channel keeps customers connected with the brand. Emails are a widely used digital tool for direct communication. They are used for marketing campaigns and customer service. Emails allow for quick, efficient, and trackable communication. They can be personalized and automated for better engagement. This method ensures direct and timely interaction with customers. Telephone calls provide a direct and personal communication method. They allow for immediate interaction and feedback. Calls are used for customer support and handling complex issues. This method offers real-time communication and resolution. It conveys tone and personal touch effectively. Face-to-face interactions are the most personal form of communication. They allow for direct engagement and relationship building. Used in customer service and sales meetings, they offer immediate feedback. This method conveys body language and nonverbal cues. It fosters a personal connection with customers. Public relations manage the organization's public image. It involves press releases and media engagements. PR activities shape public perception and communicate key messages. Effective PR enhances brand reputation and manages crises. It fosters positive relationships with the public and customers. Social media platforms enable real-time interaction with customers. They are used for brand awareness and customer engagement. Social media allows for content sharing and community building. This channel offers immediacy and broad reach. It fosters personal engagement with customers. Blogging involves creating and sharing articles and insights. Blogs are used to establish thought leadership and share industry insights. They drive website traffic and improve SEO. Blogging allows for in-depth exploration of topics. It builds credibility and fosters customer loyalty. Influencers have significant followings and affect audience opinions. Organizations collaborate with influencers for product endorsements. Influencers provide authentic content and access to a targeted audience. Their recommendations impact customer purchasing decisions. This method builds trust and credibility. Websites are the primary digital interface for organizations. They offer comprehensive information and services. Features like chatbots enable real-time interaction. Websites provide 24/7 accessibility. However, navigation issues can hinder user experience. Email is used for direct and personalized communication. It allows for detailed information sharing and automation. emails are trackable and provide a record of communication. However, spam filters can reduce visibility. Response time may also affect customer satisfaction. Social media engages customers and promotes services. It allows for real-time interaction and feedback. Social media is effective for marketing and customer engagement. Negative feedback can impact reputation. Managing social media requires significant resources. Telephone calls provide a personal method for customer interaction. They offer real-time problem-solving and feedback. Calls enhance customer satisfaction through personal touch. Limited staff availability can lead to long wait times. Maintaining a call center can be costly. A learning management system centralizes educational communication. It manages course content and student progress. Features like forums support interactive learning. Technical issues can disrupt communication. Some users may find it challenging to navigate. Formal communication channels serve specific purposes. Websites and emails provide comprehensive and direct communication. Social media offers engagement and feedback opportunities. Telephone calls deliver personal interaction. Each channel has unique advantages and challenges. Informal channels include social media, blogging, and influencers. They allow for personal, interactive, and engaging communication. These channels build stronger relationships and foster loyalty. They create a vibrant community around the brand. Informal methods enhance overall communication strategy. Evaluating communication systems is crucial for effective customer interaction. Each system has strengths and weaknesses to manage. Websites and emails offer comprehensive communication. Social media provides engagement and feedback. Organizations must leverage these systems appropriately. Refer to the ebooks and journals on the Moodle for further reading. Any queries or questions can be emailed to learnerwork at UK Versity. Assignments should be submitted to the same email. Submission is due 2 weeks after unit completion. This resource was created by UK Versity Online. In conclusion, understanding how organizations communicate with customers is essential for building strong relationships, enhancing satisfaction, and maintaining a positive brand image. Effective customer communication through advertising, social media, websites, customer service, and direct messaging helps organizations convey value, address concerns, and respond to customer needs. By selecting appropriate channels, using clear and consistent messaging, and prioritizing customer experience, businesses can build trust and loyalty. Strong communication with customers not only supports retention and sales, but also contributes to long-term organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.